Welcome to my smart home. On our smart home YouTube channel, you will discover the most practical ways to bring technology to your home and master all the intricacies of home automation systems. Get ready to build a smarter home every day with tips, detailed reviews, and brand new technologies that will make your life easier. Controlling your Lennox air conditioner with Alexa is a smart home solution that makes managing your home's temperature easier. With Lennox's iComforter smart thermostat and an Alexa device, such as Amazon Echo or the Alexa app, you can use voice commands to control all functions of your air conditioner effortlessly. This system offers ease of use and enhances the comfort of your home. First, you need to connect your Lennox iComfort thermostat to your home's Wi-Fi network. This connection allows the device to communicate with Alexa over the internet, making all control operations possible remotely. Next, download the Amazon Alexa app to your phone and activate the Lennox iComfort skill from the Alexa Skills section. Once the skill is activated, the Alexa app will ask you to log into your Lennox account and verify your account details. After completing the account integration, Alexa and your Lennox devices will be connected. When you tell Alexa to discover devices, your thermostat will be recognized and ready for control. You can now control your Lennox air conditioner using voice commands through Alexa. For example, you can say, "Alexa, turn on the air conditioner." "Alexa, set the temperature to 24 degrees." Or, "Alexa, turn off the air conditioner." You can also make more specific adjustments, such as controlling the fan speed by saying, "Alexa, set the fan to medium." Additionally, you can ask Alexa for information about your home's current temperature by saying, "Alexa, what is the temperature?" This type of voice control system can increase the energy efficiency of your home. Being able to manage your air conditioner remotely allows you to adjust the temperature even when you're not home. This helps reduce unnecessary energy consumption, lowers your utility bills, and contributes to environmental sustainability. The integration of Alexa with Lennox's iComfort system improves comfort in your home while promoting a more efficient and sustainable lifestyle. If you liked our video, leave a comment below about which device you would like to see controlled. We will quickly shoot and share a new video specific to that device. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for similar content. You will both support us and be instantly informed about our new videos. We look forward to your comments and subscriptions.